Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to answer the top questions about the crystal hair remover. The first question is about the side effects of using this kind of product. There are comments on my previous videos that they experience rashes, red marks, and skin burns. In my experience of using it for more than 10 times, I did not have rashes or red marks or an ingrown hair. When you are rubbing in a circular motion, don't put too much pressure on your skin. Also, you shouldn't expose exfoliated skin to salt water as it will hurt. A day after using it for the first time, I went to the beach and my legs are painful. Is it smooth after removing the hairs? Yes, it is smooth. Using the crystal hair remover exfoliates dead skin cells while removing unwanted hair. Do the hairs have to be long for the product to work? Nope, it doesn't need to be long. This product can remove the short hair on your fingers. Is it permanent hair removal? Nope, it is not permanent. The hair is not removed from the roots. How long does it take until the hair grows back? Is it similar to shaving or waxing? It is similar to shaving because it just cuts the hair from the surface. My leg hair grows back after 2 days. But with continuous use, the hair follicles grow back less thick. Is it reusable? Yes, it is reusable and eco-friendly because it can last up to 2 to 5 years. Can you use this on your underarms and face? No, it is not recommended to use on your underarms and face. Last question. Have you ever tried it in the bikini area? Does it itch when the hair is growing? Yes, it can remove the hair in the bikini area even though I didn't put pressure on my skin while rubbing. But I do not recommend using it though because it takes a longer time to remove all the hair. That's all for this Q&A about the crystal hair remover. I hope I was able to answer all your top questions and help you decide if you are planning to buy this product. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching!